Hello and welcome to the Saas based Pro. In today's video, I will show you how to use Kimi K3 in VS Code. To get started, first of all, you need to download the Visual Studio Code. After that, open Visual Studio Code on your computer and make sure you are on the main editor screen. After that, once in the Visual Studio is open, look for the extension icon in the left sidebar. It usually looks like a small few blocks or a square. Click on it to open the extension marketplace. Once the extension panel opens, and go to the search bar at the top and type Kimi Code. Double check the spelling to quickly find the right extension. Once the search results appear, look for the extension name Kimi Code. Before installing, take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct extension, especially if similar results appear in the marketplace. Next, click the install button. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, Visual Studio Code will automatically start downloading and installing the extension. This may just take a few seconds to or a bit longer. While it is installing, you will see a progress indicator in the extension panel, which is completely normal. Once the installation is complete, the extension should be ready to use inside Visual Studio Code right away. In some cases, Visual Code may prompt you to reload the window to fully activate the extension. If you see that option, go ahead and reload, as this helps properly initialize the extension and prepare it for use. And that's all there is to set up process. Now we successfully install the Kimi Code extension in Visual Studio Code, which is the first step to using the Kimi K3 in your coding workflow. From here, you will be ready to access extension and continue with an additional setup or use within the editor. If you're done with this along the video, make sure the extension shows everything correctly. That's it, and thanks for watching.